Yo, look how aesthetic this is. You see the clouds just moving? That is beautiful. Can I touch that? Oh shoot!
Can't be serious.
That thing pricked my finger.
Why do we always get trash views, bro? This is genuinely butt, bro.
Oh wait, do we got forks?
I can grab it.
What's up, y'all? Sugar and Nikita Marie, and it's early in the morning. So early. But I'm waiting for my mom and my sister to come here so that they can drop us off at the airport because we are going on a trip, y'all. And they're late. They told me they're gonna be here at 3 o'clock. They didn't leave their house till 3 o'clock, and now they claim they're gonna be coming here at 3:18. It is 3:16. So let's see if they're gonna be here by 3:18. They got 2 minutes left. I got my sleeve on, and y'all, I'm getting a wheelchair too because we finna get some good seats. Nah, but for real, I really do need a wheelchair because my knees and stuff has been like hurting me really bad, and I don't know, like right now my neuropathy, everything is just bothering me. So I'm gonna get a wheelchair no matter what. I hate getting a wheelchair because people be looking at you like judging you, like. She knows she'll need that wheelchair, and whole time, just because somebody look good on the outside does not mean that they're not going through stuff in the inside. My bones is being attacked, y'all. 3:17. They ain't coming here on time. They not coming here on time. 3:18. Like I said, I think I need to get their tracker so I can see exactly where they be at when they say they gonna come and be somewhere. Yeah, my voice sounding a little masculine right now. Ugh. Oh. They're here on time, y'all. All right, bye. Welcome to Dallas. Y'all, my driver is a bad driver. He like been bumping me into stuff and about to make me fall, and I'm gonna have to complain and tell these people that he is not doing a good job. My knee's on fire. That's why I'm still in the chair. But here we go. Bag is clean. There goes name. That's my driver. You gonna pass me? Look how high this building is. That's insane, y'all. Look at this. Say what's up, Nay.
Yo.
All right, we're in downtown Dallas, y'all. We're trying to find. Hold on. To scan the street buildings. Too much sunlight. Alright, see, it's telling us where to go. First stop, y'all. Twisted Trombone. I love the color scheme. Look at that up there now. Alright, y'all. Alright, y'all, so we are at North Park Mall. Service animals only. Go ahead, Nan, you're a service animal. Uh-oh, Christmas spirit. I know, y'all, we just had the best Uber driver. He was so cool. If I would see him again, he would definitely be my uncle. Y'all know how it goes. If I like you, you become my auntie or my uncle. But I need to use the restroom again. I've been drinking too much. But let's check out this mall. It smells good in here, but now let's check it out. Look at that. They have like a lot of architecture. Oh my gosh, it's like 4 different ways to go. said, oh shoot. That thing pricked my finger. That looks different, the filled croissants. So which one you gonna try? Middle piece. Hold it back. Gotta lose this. What y'all think? What you eating, sir? Is it good?
I like it. Just like that Christmas.
Oh, that looks good. I can't. I swear, I think that one is alive. Hold on. Yeah, that one is. Oh, they're all alive. All three of them. All of them are real.
That's crazy. Yeah, whole ecosystem in the middle of the That's fine. I can't even lie.
Hi. He's got the camera. You see it swimming? Yeah. Go try to wake up now. He's knocked out. Tired, huh? For staying up for 2 hours. What's up, y'all? And welcome to the room tour. We're at the Embassy Suite, so it's kind of like the same as when we're in Miami. So see, but this one's better. Look, you got the double couches right there, much better. Got the food here.
Pause. She got her own TV, y'all.
I got my own TV?
Yeah, you got your own TV.
That's your room. You might kick me out. Here's the bathroom. What's the bathroom? Oh, hold up. What's this? I don't know what the, oh, the night light. Oh, the showers. Look at this. Shower's fire. Again, you ain't gotta buy no soap, nothing. Alright, let's see. Closet. You already know. Make sure they ain't got no hidden doors. Try to kidnap us. Nope. We Gucci. That's nice. Oh, I can have my money in here. And then the bed. Nice and comfy. Can't wait to sleep here. But yeah, that's it. Look, what kind of view we got? Oh,
why do we always get trash views, bro? This is genuinely butt, bro. I mean, at least we can see the city.
Yeah. All right. You want to the bathroom first?
Yeah.
I'm gonna take my stuff out the bag. All right. Where's the light? Did a quick little outfit change, y'all. Nothing big. Just put a little t-shirt on and some pants. And my bestie, the birthday girl, is almost here. So we're gonna get ready to go downstairs. Let's go check on Nijon. Where is he? Oh, there he go. Oh, he watching TV. You gonna tell the people what's up? No. Oh, what's that? Mouthwash? Oh, not you made somebody stinky. You mean hot because of the mouthwash? We're going to some barbecue because our Uber told us that we have to try the barbecue out here in Texas because it's the best. So that's what we're gonna go try. So be back next time you see me. We're gonna be in the car with the birthday girl. Here. You know we can't see out that window, right? You couldn't see me? No, look. Oh. So I was like, is that tapping? Okay. I was like, is that her? Oh my gosh. The birthday girl. Oh, I got this on there. You ready? Yeah. Okay. I'm coming in with you. Oh my goodness. Y'all are, this is a good area. Yeah, it's nice. Oh wait, this you, right? Okay. Is it open? Oh. I like. Yes, get that water intake in. So this is called what again? Cherry black. Oh yeah, there we go. Never ending beer. What type of meat are we doing? What do you want to try? Good morning, y'all. Ooh, I'm looking like I'm a little fit today. Want somebody move their head? Get out the move. Cause I've been eating so bad out here, y'all, so far. So I don't know, unless the mirror lying to me.
What about me?
Do I look fat? Do I look fat? Do I look fat?
No.
Well, I had to ask 3 times. Alright, y'all, we're going downstairs to eat breakfast. Don't judge me. I cannot say breakfast. But we're going downstairs. There we go. We're going downstairs, get something to eat. I'm on an omelet. They want to get ready because we got my dad's supposed to be coming here. And then Candace is coming. So we got a long day because we leave tomorrow. So we're going to be knocking out so much stuff today. So stay tuned, y'all. I'm going to bring y'all with us, okay? I promise, I promise, I promise. All right, let's go eat. It could be the same. Thank you so much. Should I get this on here? Or is it strawberry or cherry?
Alright.
No.
Let's try a little piece.
Not that. I forgot to say my grace. That threw me off, y'all. Amen. Okay. Alright, y'all. It's your girl Nikita Marie. Najon's back there vlogging. And up here he goes. We're heading to the reunion tower so we can see all of Dallas. So stay tuned and we'll see you shortly. Look at where we are going, y'all. Oh my gosh, it's insane. I wouldn't say I have a fear of heights a little bit, but do y'all see how high that is? Are you ready for this, Nay?
I'm scared of no heights.
This is crazy. But we got 5 minutes to get there. All right, y'all. So y'all gonna come up there with us. Look how beautiful the buildings and stuff are. They're going to the reunion tower too?
Yeah.
Okay. I think it's still here.
The tower is 561 feet. That's equivalent to about 50 stories, 50 floors. If you kind of want a floor kind of breakdown, that's what it would be. We're going to take our ride up. That's going to take us up to 470 feet. That's going to be our observation deck level. It is an indoor-outdoor experience. So once you're up there, we do have an outer 360 perimeter, like outside edge. Minus the mini construction they're doing. Most of it is accessible, so you can step outside and kind of view the skyline that way.
Have you ever gotten stuck on here?
No. Not yet.
Hopefully never.
Hopefully, right, no, hopefully never.
I was like, this is high.
Yeah, it's pretty high, but no, not yet. And hopefully never, like you said.
Okay, we gotta figure out how to get through there. Wow, look down, Najon. Oh my gosh. Ooh, that's when I get afraid to look down. Oh, this is scary.
I remember everything floors. And I was like 500 feet up.
500 feet, y'all. We are up in the sky. Oh my god, it's hard to like touch it. This is insane. Insane. Wanna walk around? Yeah. I'm shaking. Okay, I have a low fear of heights because I can feel myself like shaking, y'all. Alright, we're gonna walk around. Look there.
Exercise mir gekriegt hat, Porridge gekriegt. Was ist damit mit dem Geschmack? Ja, wahrscheinlich wollte sie nicht nur Kartoffeln.
Mom, we're going down to eat already.
Aber die haben ja heute Zeit.
Hey, I can see a bit from here. I can really see it.
Alright, y'all. You want us share? Because you got 2 different ones that I didn't have touched.
I don't know, it's probably the thing.
You get 2 forks.
Yeah, I got you. Watch it.
Alright, let me show you what we got, guys. So I don't even know what type of chicken I got, but one was like a sweet and this is black pepper chicken, and this was, I forgot. And they John got orange chicken and sesame chicken. For sweet and sour. Orange is good. And the sesame. Like, how the heck y'all open this? Thank you. Oh, okay. Figure out how I'm gonna bring these home with me. Got that little room. Thank you. Wrong. No, this right there.
This show's fine, get on how hopes that.
A lot of stuff stuck. They almost cut me.
De nada mucho pide. A pesar de que no la
Comfy. Do it look weird?
Come on.
My foot look right at the top. They look weird. The pants.
Yeah, somebody is crazy.
I wonder if it's just because it's these pants. You think if I had on something different?
I mean, maybe.
Don't be trying to hide. He told me I gotta put a helmet, y'all. Look, how am I supposed to put a helmet on with these daggone freaking... Feel like? Why are you taking so long? I've been waiting in this line for how long?
Hurry up and get the man his change.
Gonna make us late.
56, you gotta clock in.
Come on, let's go.
You're late.
Wait, hold on.
Oh my god, 2:56 Zariah.
Make y'all late. I'm sorry. I didn't put my charger.
No, you're about to be late. Bye, Zariah! We love you! You're the best cash register ever! Gang gang! Why? What light?
That's illegal.
What? What light?